94 and 0.1, or 50 and 0.3. Are these the lottery numbers? No. My name is Sam Lloyd. Quantum Enterprise Solutions is a broad-spectrum pathogen control company. Our focus is not only to provide services and products, but to also inform and educate our customers with the latest in technology and science of providing pathogen protection to you during this unprecedented time. The CDC has stated most of the COVID-19 transmission occurs through the air. Yet, besides wearing masks, virtually all the emphasis has been on disinfecting by spraying surfaces multiple times a day, which is time-consuming and in many cases not as effective as we think it is. This has changed. Just recently, the CDC has recommended that businesses and institutions start utilizing a MERV13 filter. What does MERV mean? MERV is an industry rating system called Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, which rates the overall efficiency of a filter on a scale of 1 to 20. In short, the higher the rating, the more efficient the filter is at trapping dust particles and other airborne contaminants. Most homes and businesses use anywhere between a MERV1 through a MERV8 rated filter. Let's stop here. These common filter sizes cannot filter out submicron particles like the COVID-19 virus and other common bacteria. An important thing to know is that the MERV ratings are not standard. They will vary from one brand to the next and can only be verified with test validation through an accredited testing agency. There is also another challenge. The higher a filter is rated, the less air is allowed to flow through it. In simple terms, and in most cases, the holes have to be smaller than the contaminant or pathogen that needs to be filtered out. This causes your HVAC system to work harder. This means more energy is required, costing you money. In the worst case, your HVAC system may not work properly in heating and cooling. I'm sure many of you have seen or are currently using fiberglass air filters such as this, which is a MERV rating anywhere between 1 through 4. About the only thing these filters can filter out is a bowling ball or Tweety bird. But in short, they don't do much. As this chart shows, it only filters out large particles and really does not improve the quality of the air we breathe, especially for asthma sufferers. Yet, these filters are commonly used everywhere in places like apartment complexes. This is the reason why MERV13 filters are mandated and used by hospitals to filter out submicron particles. Installing a MERV13 or higher filter typically requires an upgrade to the existing HVAC system, which is very costly. We have partnered with Sanders Filters, who has developed a revolutionary submicron filter media. Our filter performs close to, and in some cases higher than HEPA, with no need to upgrade your HVAC system. How? We have a proprietary ion application on the filter material which creates an electrostatic field to trap submicron particles like COVID-19, as well as other well-known pathogens such as the flu, cold, fungus, and mold. This allows us to have larger holes or bypass air within the filter material. This is our filter material, incredibly light and thin. Thanks, Sam. You're welcome. This means more air can pass through our filter, resulting in energy savings that you keep in your pocket. Now, let's go into the technical specs. The efficiency rating of a standard MERV13 filter is around 50%. This means that after a single pass through the filter, the MERV13 filter captures 50% of particles that are 0.3 to 1.0 microns in size. And as a reminder, remember the numbers 50 and 0.3. As an industry-accepted standard and practice for filter testing, 0.3 microns is the minimum particle size to test on MERV13 and higher rated filters. But there's a problem. The COVID-19 virus is approximately 0.13 microns in size, which is much smaller than 0.3 microns. So you can visualize, This picture shows the relative size of the COVID-19 virus compared to red blood cell and other larger particles. Fit small. So again, the COVID virus is 0.13 micron in size, but a MERV13 filter only tests for 0.3 micron size particles and larger. This doesn't give me a good feeling. We have recognized this gap. All of our filters are validated by testing on 0.1 micron size particles as our minimum standard, far more stringent than the current industry standards. Starting with our 70 series, our filter is far more efficient than a typical MERV13. Our filter almost has double efficiency at 94%, which has been tested and proven by Nelson Labs. This means after a single pass through our filters, 94% of 0.1 micron size particles or larger are captured. Another reminder, remember the number is 94 and 0.1. This is an industry first, but the fact that there is no need to upgrade your existing HVAC system to achieve near HEPA or better performance with our filters, depending on the filter model chosen. Yes, we even have other filters series which have a 99.99+% efficiency ratings. Our technology allows the filter to allow more air to pass through it compared to a typical MERV13 filter, resulting in less energy usage. So back to the numbers. Is 94 and 0.1 better than 50 and 0.3? When it comes to protecting you, your business, staff, employees, and/or customers, absolutely yes. Visit our website at www.quantumensol. There are multiple choices when it comes to protecting your business or institution against airborne pathogens. We think our company, with the partnership of Standards Air Filters, has one of the most technologically advanced sub-micron filters on the market today. Contact us.